Welcome to Kean College St. John's Pharmacy Technician Lab. We keep this door locked at all times unless there's an instructor on site. So this is our sterile facility. The markings on the floor show the yellow for our ante-room, and then we'll move into the red for the clean room. And here in the drawers we have our PPE for the students to get that prepared. Then we have our hands-free sink. And we also have our eye wash station in this area. So this is the clean room. You can tell by the red demarcation marks. In this area we have our running hood. In this area we have all of our items for our sterile preparation. We have all of our supplies. Over here we have all of our injectables for hospital training and for our IV preparation. Up here we have all of our devices for training of our patients. And here you will see all of our OTC items. So this section is our simulated community pharmacy. We have our drop-off and our pickup stations. We also have 5 stations in our dispensary. We have a maximum of 10 students in our lab at one time, with 2 students per station. We have a scanner for scanning our prescriptions, telephone, and all supplies that we would need for filling prescriptions. In this section, we have our locked narcotic cupboard. And over here, we have a filling station for the students. They have their counting tray, their pill splitters, ointment jars, bottles, prescription vials, and we have the Kroll system that they use for their software system. So this section is our dispensing area. We have our brand name drugs, our inhalers, our birth control, our injectables, and our OTC Schedule II products. So in this section we have our generics. This is where the students fill their prescriptions from. These bottles all contain simulated products. We use beans, beads, candy, whatever we can find for them to use. Here we have our hazardous drug section, complete with our hazardous counting tray and spatula. And as we step back, we have our liquids, our creams and ointments. So we have some liquids and some creams. This is our fridge. It's complete with a thermometer that we check our temperatures twice a day. And we have a temperature log that the students record the temperatures with. So this is our compounding area. It's a separate area with its own sink. We have our weigh scales, ointment slabs, mortar and pestle, and cylinders, plus all other equipment that we need for our compounding procedures. In this section, we keep our chemicals. We keep them locked up. Even though we use simulated chemicals, we still keep them locked up, so to give them the same feel as when they're in practice. We also have our liquids in this section as well. In this cupboard, we keep all of our base creams and ointments.